In this video, we will give you a general overview of do-it-yourself captioning options. If you use existing videos or create your own videos for your online course, it is essential that they meet UCF's accessibility requirement for proper captioning. Captioned media provides a wide range of benefits, particularly for individuals who are deaf or hard of hearing. Including captions with your video course content or providing transcripts for lengthy lectures or podcasts can ensure that all students have equal access to information and can fully participate in the learning experience. Fortunately, you have many options when it comes to captioning the videos in your course. The Center for Distributed Learning provides a proactive captioning service. Proactive captioning is available to academic courses that are taught in an online modality. This process is for proactive purposes only. Student Accessibility Services, SAS, will contact you if a student in your course has a captioning accommodation. Please note that a turnaround time can range from 2 to 6 weeks, depending on the complexity and length of your media files. To ensure that captions are available when needed, we recommend requesting our services well in advance of when the course will be facilitated. This will allow ample time for our team to review and edit the captions for accuracy and quality. To learn more, or if you're interested in requesting our services, please complete our online form by visiting cdl.ucf.edu/proactive. DIY or do-it-yourself captioning is a great way to prevent automatic captioning from mangling your words and making sure technical terms and spelling are correct. Here are a few options to consider when creating your own captions. You may already be aware that YouTube auto-captions videos, but their accuracy can be as low as 50% and they are not ADA compliant. However, YouTube allows for editing its own automatic captions, inserting text, or uploading caption files. If you use a script, you can simply cut and paste your text and YouTube will adjust the timings for you. Or, if you create a caption file with timing in another program, you can upload that file to YouTube if you plan to host your videos on its platform. Another option to create transcripts and captions is by using an online service such as Amara or Otter AI. Both offer free basic plans that will produce a transcript of your video and allow for editing. Paid accounts can create and export files from your videos with timed captions that can be uploaded directly to sites such as YouTube or to your web courses at UCF course as a media comment. If you're looking for an easy-to-use online video editor, we suggest Clipchamp. This program is free when you use your own videos and allows for auto-captioning and editing as well as exporting of the caption file. More advanced video editing programs like Adobe Premiere and Camtasia include options for creating captions. Captions can be embedded with the video or exported as a separate caption SRT file. Camtasia is a paid program, while Adobe Premiere is available for free to faculty as part of the Adobe Creative Suite. There are many tools and options when it comes to creating captions or transcripts for your online course. You may need to experiment to see which tool works best for you. If you would like assistance learning more about how to create your own captions, visit the Faculty Multimedia Center in person on campus or online at cdl.ucf.edu/FMC. Thank you for watching this video and creating your own captions.